Sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing my February Quirky Crate and I am so excited. This is the subscription box that I look forward to the most. It is absolutely so much fun. I am sorry for the weird lighting slash angle today. It's actually sunny out. That never happens here in Maryland. The sun never comes out. So the sunshine is stopping by and giving us a visit today. So I got like weird curtain lighting going on today. But also I wanted to tell you guys I dyed my hair purple and I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm trying some new hairstyles, trying to play around with my look a little bit, but I can't wait to show you guys what this like looks like. I know right now it probably looks dark brown, but excuse the staining that I have going on in the back of my neck. Please excuse it because it got a little messy. But Quirky Crate is basically like $40 a month. In it, you get some novelty stuff. You get a novelty handbag. You get flair. You get fun stuff. This subscription is so uplifting, so positive, so exciting. I literally just got this 2 minutes ago in the mail, so excited. So each month, Quirky Crate features, I got a little ahead of myself and started opening a box. Each month, Quirky Crate features a different artist to design the exterior of the box. So every month, you're gonna get like a different designed box. So here is what it looks like. Also it ships on the 15th of every month. So yesterday was the 15th, today's the 16th, and it just got here and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and shut up and we're just gonna open this up. Okay, so it says, hey girl, yes, treat yourself, Quirky Crate. I'm so excited. This is my favoriteest box ever. Oh, I don't even know yet because I haven't even been able to look inside because I got this massive card. So here is this month's, I can see what's on the back and I'm trying not to look. This is the artist that is featured in this month's box. And then on the back, it has like the details of what's inside and the total value of this box. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna look at it with you guys for the first time. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't even really see. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited. I have a box of patches that I'm collecting. So when I get like enough patches, I'm gonna buy a jean jacket and just put all of my patches and flair that I've gotten from Quirky Crate on it. So this, I don't even know what this is. Oh my gosh, it's French fries and ketchup. What the heck? Yes, this is a Munkuyobi iron-on patch. And look, there's the ketchup bottles. There's the French fries. This is a mood. I love this so much. I am so excited about this. I love this. Okay, here's everything else. I think I see a hair straightener in here. Oh my gosh. What? I have never ever received a beauty product inside of any of my Quirky Crate boxes. I got a freaking hair straightener in here. What? This is Make Time, Another Me in the World. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy. Look at this. Okay, because I saw the cord and I was like, it's purple. It's like a soft lavender and then the inside plates are blue. That is so crazy. The only time, okay, like a couple months, December I received the Boxycharm box and that's the only time I've ever received like a hair straightener of any sort. So it's really crazy that I just got one in my Quirky Crate. Plus I have never ever received any beauty boxes or beauty products of any sort in my Quirky Crate ever. So this is so exciting. This is literally so freaking exciting. I feel like most of the time the products that I get in my Quirky Crate are kind of more like geeky, nerdy stuff, but this is something that everybody can use and I don't know, I was totally not expecting that, so I can't wait to see how the rest of this box goes. Okay, oh, look at this. We got a Quirky Curl enamel pin and it's a hair dryer that says hot mess. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the pins and everything that we get in here. It's just so exciting. Okay, so the next thing is this little flag. Oh, interesting. Don't know how I feel about this. It's an enamel pin flag. So the flag just says pins and then you're supposed to put all of your pins on here. I mean, okay, I like the thought. I like the thought. It's something that you can do with all of the pins that you get in here if you're not like a fashion person or you didn't know what to do. So that's interesting. I don't really like, I'm not like pumped that I got that in this box, but there's still a couple more items. So this, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. So it says squeeze. Okay, squeeze sides below cap to open this up. This is going to take 20 minutes to do because I'm always really bad at this stuff. Even as an adult, I still can't do the like child safety proof medicine bottles. Okay, I got it open. So I don't even know what this is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so cool. I got a spaceman pendant necklace. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Okay, so it's on a gold chain. And it's a freaking, look at this. That is so cool. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I have to take it out so we can like try to put it on. I'm so pumped about this. Oh my gosh. gosh. I didn't literally, what? Quirky Crate is so different this month. I'm so pumped right now. I have a little spaceman on me. This is so amazing. And okay, I'm so sorry to bring this up, but the Mars rover died and like a couple of days ago this week. So it's just so amazing that this is included. It's like a tribute to it. I don't know if it is or not, but like in my mind it is. But put that aside, this is so cool. Like, I'm freaking out about this. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the next thing because like I can see it. I got a donut handbag. Oh my gosh. I wish I could get this box like every day. Like, can you just send me like a curated box every day because this is amazing. Okay, so it's got like a gold chain on it, but I got a donut. I'm so excited. Okay, I love Betsy Johnson. I say this every video, so if you've seen all of my Quirky Crate videos, I'm so sorry, but I love Betsy Johnson. Betsy Johnson is my favorite handbag designer, and the handbags that I get in my Quirky Crate box always really remind me of the purses that I see from like the Betsy Johnson line. So I'm sorry this is making so much noise, but this is like a cross body or an over-the-shoulder handbag that you can use. I'm just gonna put this on. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. I mean, these aren't like, they're not like, oh my gosh, luxury purses, but I can, oh, this one has an inside zipper. This isn't like an upgrade, but I can almost assure you that like nobody else is in your school or in the office or around the block is gonna have this unless you tell them about the joy of Quirky Crate. Don't keep this joy to yourself. Yeah, so it's got like a little pocket on the inside. I'm so happy about this. I love the purses that I get in here, and I feel like this is gonna be so fun for like spring and beach. Like, I don't know, I can't wait to like stunt with this bag on Instagram. Okay, so there's like 2 more things in here. I have leaf socks. I mean, like palm leaf socks. These are like one of the more normal socks that I receive from Quirky Crate. I love getting socks in here. It's like, I don't know, I love this box so much. So these are like cool. I mean, they are very like normal, not super nerdy. And then the last thing that I got are these happy flags, bright colorful cheer for any space. So I think this is just gonna be a banner of some sort. I can't wait to take it out and like hang it around myself, and I am the joy you need in your life. Oh no, look how fun this is. Okay, so now you guys get an idea. That is so fun. Okay, so here's everything, the value of everything that I got in my Quirky Crate. So here's the total value of everything in my box. The donut crossbody bag is $24. The travel Kawaii hair straightener is $16, which is so much cheaper than I was expecting them to tell me that it was. Like, the hair straightener, the mini travel hair straightener that I got in my Boxycharm was like $74, and I was like, don't lie to me, that's not true, don't be like that. But that's really affordable. The Monstera leaf socks are $8. The Hot Mess enamel pin is $10. The enamel pin display banner is $12. The Spaceman enamel pendant is $15. The Mankuobi patch, which was the french fries and the ketchup patch, $6, and Happy Flag is $4, with a total value of this box being $95. Okay, I will admit something. This box is this is the first box that I've gotten where I've gotten like hits and misses. Like, most of the boxes I've gotten have been like all of its hits. There's been one box where I was like kind of really disappointed in it. This box, it has an equal amount of both. I love this enamel pin. I love the hair straightener. I love this, and I love the patch. I don't really like this, and I'm not super in love with the socks. So there are definitely more hits in this box than there are misses for me in this box. But like, these two are the 2 products I'm like, about. Like, I love receiving socks, just like the pattern is so normal and isn't really what I would describe as like nerdy, geeky, or quirky. And I like the idea of this. Like, I like the idea, and it gives you like a different way to display the enamel pins that you get in your box. I personally just can't wait to put everything on a jean jacket, but everything else in this box, especially this, I love this, and I love the donut bag so much. Those are my favorite pieces. So what did you guys think of my February Quirky Crate? What was your favorite item? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.